this question says that this is a quadrilateral in the coordinate plane, and show that it is a parallelogram by showing that the diagonals bisect each other. So I've drawn one diagonal in blue, one diagonal in red. To show that they bisect each other, there's a simple way to do it, which is find the midpoint of each one of those diagonals. And if the midpoints are the same, then they bisect each other. That's the easy way. Sometimes I show people the hard way to do it. It's too hard. This is the easy and quick way. So first, let me find what the coordinates of these points are. This is 1, 3. I'm drawing it in blue because I'm going to do that blue diagonal. This is -2, -5. Always a good idea to write these coordinates down so you don't forget them mid-question. This is 1 minus 2. Write your work so you don't forget it and get mixed up. This is -2, 0. Okay, so now I'm going to do the blue first. I want the midpoint formula. What is the midpoint formula? How do I find the midpoint of the blue line? Just take the x-coordinates, add them together, and divide it by 2. That's the x-coordinate of the midpoint. And then add the y-coordinates together. Divide that by 2. I don't know why I put y2 first, but that'll be the y-coordinate of the midpoint. So I'm going to do the blue one first, then I'll do the red one. And if they are the same, then they bisect each other. So x1 plus x2. 1 plus -2 divided by 2. That's the x-coordinate. 3 plus -5 divided by 2. 1 plus -2 is -1 half. 3 plus -5 is -2 over 2 is -1. So that's the midpoint of the blue diagonal, one diagonal. Now I need to find the midpoint of the other diagonal, and I'm going to do the same thing. -2 plus 1 over 2, that's the x-coordinate. 0 plus -2 over 2 is the y-coordinate, and that equals -1 half. -2 over 2 is -1. And notice the midpoints are the same. It's the same point. So now I know that those two diagonals meet at the midpoint. In other words, they bisect each other. That's the easy way to do it.